Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Mother Eagle here. I hope you're well. Thank you for all your likes, shares, and comments. Keep following the channel. I'm so grateful. And you can also find me on YouTube for those who love spiritual things. I post spiritual things on the YouTube channel. Anyway, today I wanted us to talk about cultivating patience while you're building your dream. Many of you know I'm an author, so I'm preparing my next book. And I usually work with, I have an Apple laptop, so I usually work with pages for days. Every time I organized my pages, everything would mess up. If you change a paragraph on one page, the other pages go off. I couldn't understand. The good thing, I wasn't frustrated. I just knew I needed something else. I kept asking myself, what else can I do? Because if I'm going to be writing this book, which has so many pages, over 200 pages, everything can't be messing up. You change one sentence and the whole format goes off, and through asking, what can I do without losing hope, I realized my laptop, which I've had for many years, has another software, iBooks Author. And I'm like, oh, okay. So the whole weekend I spent some time trying to learn iBooks Author, uploaded all my information in there for my new book, and I'm now formatting. The point of this story is, don't give up while you're building your dreams. Sometimes you may be using the wrong tools, but the right tools are on their way. You just have to be persistent. You just have to keep asking why. You just have to keep asking yourself, what else can I do to make this better? But don't give up on the dream just because you encounter a certain level of hardship. If you know it's what you were meant to do, stick with it, and things go step by step. Sometimes the frustrations comes from maybe engaging too much without having time to pull away, because some seasons are very exciting. So as you're engaging in whatever project, take time to pull away. Maintain that balance so that you can get other perspectives of things around you, So cultivating patience in this process is a tool, because some things are by divine order, divine timing. Actually, all things are by divine timing. You may think the book is ready to be released in, next month, and yet the plan for that book was to be released 6 months later or earlier. Anything can happen, but don't give up. Maintain the patience, and based on the size of your goal, the bigger the patience tests will be. So hang in there, grow that patience muscle, and remember, step by step, you will get to where you need to go. But some of these life universal principles have to play a hand. So I love you guys. I hope that helps. Stay with it. Cultivate that patience in you. Bye.